Hello, and welcome to the Virtual Healthcare Management Department at Westmoreland County Community College. Let me start by introducing myself. My name is Cheryl Miller, and I am the Program Director and full-time faculty member in the Healthcare Management Department. I'm going to share some information about the program and employment opportunities after graduation. The program has three stackable credentials that you can earn. The first is the certificate, which consists of 18 credits or 6 classes. You can complete the certificate in one semester, and this will have you working in doctor's offices, outpatient centers, and unit clerks at your local hospital, earning about $10 an hour. The second credential is the diploma, which builds upon the certificate. It adds 18 credits or about 2 to 3 semesters. Employment focuses more on billing for medical facilities and insurance companies as claims processors, and you're earning around $12 an hour. The last credential that builds upon the certificate and the diploma is your associate degree, which is a total of 62 credits or about 4 semesters. This degree focuses on medical coding and reimbursement. After completing the degree, you are prepared to sit for the Certified Professional Coder or CPC exam, which is held at the college 3 times a year. With this degree, you train for jobs that can be done at home, and medical coders start at about $14 to $16 an hour. The associate degree is transferable to local four-year schools such as Carlow, University of Phoenix, Franklin University, to mention a few. Thank you for stopping by to learn more about the healthcare management program, and I hope to see you in the future. For more information, you can call me at 724-925-5984 or email me at millerch@westmoreland.edu and or contact the admissions office at the college.